When bottles are detected by the photoelectric eye, the bottle unscrambler will stop working. When bottles are detected by the photoelectric eye, the Desiccant inserter will start to work. When bottles are detected by the photoelectric eye, the counting machine will start to work. When bottles are detected by the photoelectric eye, the cotton inserter will start to insert the cotton. The cap feeder will blow out inverted caps when feed caps. If there is no aluminum foil in the bottle will be ejected out. Only bottles with aluminum foil can be transported to the next process.